Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I have a great addition to my living room. I did a video a couple days ago on how I transform my living room, and guys, I have a great piece. It's gonna add more vibe, more coziness to my apartment, guys. I really love it, so I thought I could share with you guys because holiday season, Black Friday is around corner, guys. You really need some gift guide. I think this one is gonna be like a great option for you if you are looking for a great piece of very functional and also going to make your home look good. I always love to come with some great ideas what you can buy, and I do unboxing and I do some product review and I do shopping haul just to show you great things that they have out there. So if you want to buy something for yourself, for your family, or whatever you prefer. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is a video collaboration with YITAHOME that sent me this chair. Guys, I always like to add accent chair in my living room. And guys, as you can see, this package come into 2 boxes. Inside the boxes, you will have 4 pieces. This chair is an oversized chair because you can have massage with it. You can use it to read. You can use it to do whatever you like. As you can see, guys, how each piece look like. And one of the thing about it I like, it's very easy to put together. Don't let the size fool you. It's super easy to put together. It's all the pieces you just pull and click. That's so easy it is, and it's easy to take out too. And that's one of the thing, because you know guys, I love moving my things around. So in order for me to just change it room to room, the same way you put it together, that's the same way you just pull it apart. No screw required. When you turn the seat part of the 4 pieces upside down, that's where you're going to see all the thing that you need. The little box contain the remote, the plug to plug the chair, and other stuff. The chair has 2 remotes, one to function the chair and one for the massages. So it has all the power that you can see, all different type of massage you can have with the chair. And this one is for safety. You put in the back, you just code it in the back of the chair for safety. And guys, I'm going to put the chair together. As you can see, it's very easy to put together. Very easy to put together. As you can see, gonna give you a closer look. I chose the brown because it's pretty, and I wanted to add a bit of darker color in my living room because I always have white furniture. So I just wanted to try the darker color to see how I like it. And to be honest, this is a really nice color. It goes perfectly with my decor for this year. And guys, if you don't like this color, you can always head to the website and choose other color that you like. Just type YITAHOME.com. They're on Amazon, they're on Google, everywhere. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys for easy access. And I'm going to pin it in the comment section. That's the first thing you're gonna do. If you go to the comment section, it will be the first comment in the video. Okay guys, as you can see the back, I'm doing the back right now, so you have to be very careful to not just jam the wires. So I need to see how I put it together. Just make sure to remove the wire out of the way, and just it's a pull and click. That's the way you just put the chair together. Very easy, very easy to put together. As you see, I was able to put the chair together by myself. No help required if you have strong strength like me. Yes, and for the wires, you just have to follow the instruction, red to red, white to white. So it's easy, very super easy to put together, guys. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. Sur la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo, moi aime nous. Everything is all set. When you turn on the power, the remote of the chair light up, and which is nice. I really like it has 2 cup holders, which is nice. And the chair, if you see the full beauty of the chair, very nice. You can choose to sit in the chair or recline it, lay down just to have your massage, guys. It's so good. And guys, I always fall asleep whenever I get in my massage in the chair. I work a lot, guys. I'm tired. So to have a chair like that to have my massage, yes, I fall asleep any day, anytime. The massage is so good. It has intensity. So if you want to massage your back, your neck, everywhere you want to massage more, so with the remote you are able to do everything. And guys, don't take my word, try it and you will thank me later. And guys, as you can see, if you have a loved one that is aging, that has a problem with their knees, that has arthritis, this chair might be very helpful to you. And as you can see, it able to boost me up whenever I'm standing up, if I don't want to put too much pressure on my knee. So if you have somebody that needs something like that, it will be very beneficial for someone that not able, like pushing themselves to stand up by themselves. Guys, as you can see, and when I'm finished my massage, the chair is very nice. All right, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can let. And one of the things about the chair, you can charge your phone while you're sitting watching TV. You don't have to get up. And I love reading. This pocket make it very easy for me to put the book that I intend to read for the day or for the time being. And it's very convenient. You can put whatever you want, but me, I prefer to put books and pen for easy access for me. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I will take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, clean with me, and I do my hair, my nails. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime. Things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes and all. Okay, guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.